Just got this in the mail. Check it out. Really cool packaging, right? So let's take a look and see what it is. Gotta get this off of here. Okay, got it. Ready? Dun da da dun. Bum 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 bum. Uh-oh, there we go. Gotta pull it all the way out. Woo. Check this out. Thank you. Okay, there's all kinds of other stuff in here. Look. Huh? Look at here. Look at that. Wow, really cool, huh? So this is my new flower pot. And I just got to put some flowers in it. What do you think? Pop this out so that it has drainage. So you just kind of push it out through here. Or push it this way. Anyway, you got to push it one way or another. But I think this is going to be cool. And I can't wait to put something in it. And I'm going to show you when I do. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on flower pots. Peace out.